we should go with English.
Yeah, English.
English. Alright, he's a Nigerian, so it is only right. So at least that's the language he's going to understand.
Yeah.
Big man, welcome to Ghana.
Thank you, sir.
How long have you been here?
This should be my 3 months counting now.
3 months and counting.
Yeah.
All right. What really brought you to Ghana?
Actually, I came because of my brother.
You came because of your brother?
Yeah.
Why?
I came to visit him because it's been like 7 years I've not seen him.
Wow. Why is your brother a Ghanaian?
No.
Oh, okay.
He's from Nigeria.
But he came to work here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I've been like maybe I think 10 years here.
No, okay. You've not seen him. He has been here for 10 years.
Yeah.
But for almost like 7 years, you've not seen him.
I've
That
not
brought
seen
you here.
Yeah.
Wow, that's interesting. Well, personally, I met you on TikTok.
Yeah.
And you being around in Ghana for the past 3 months, how has it been for you?
Well, I won't lie. Ghana is a very peaceful country, and everything is going well with me. Like, I like the vibe, I like the energy, everything is cool.
What one thing would you say that when you leave Ghana, you're really going to miss?
Oh, I won't lie to you.
Opemsuo.
The country is very peaceful.
How peaceful the country is.
Like, you can move around,
Do your own
do
thing.
your thing the way you want to do it. I will not say it's not like in Nigeria, but there's things there. Yeah, a lot of things.
All right. Before we go much into what you do and your journey in Ghana now, doing what you do alongside, even though you came to visit, let me ask you: Ghana jollof and Nigeria jollof, which one are you going for?
Oh, I'm going for Ghana jollof.
You are going for the Ghana jollof.
Yeah.
First time I'm at this Nigeria, Nika so be call for Ghana jollof. What's it saying?
Just so ebe pamono.
What do you say?
Just so ebe pamono. Now abahanga unjisi ede.
Do you understand what he said?
No.
He means if you had not chosen Ghanaian jollof, we'd have sacked you. That's why you chose it. Or you chose because of what he said, or that's what you prefer?
No, I prefer Ghana jollof.
You prefer Ghana
Yeah.
jollof.
And moreover, I've been hearing about it for a long time, and I wish to test it. And finally, I tested it, man. It's good to go.
It's good.
Yeah.
All right, that's nice. Now you're in Ghana. You are a drummer, right?
Yeah.
What inspired you to take this path as a drummer?
Back in Nigeria,
Okay.
before I traveled, I've always loved entertainment.
Okay.
I do dancing. I also play my drums, church drums, bowl high life, and everything. So I always put myself anything that concerns music.
Music.
Yeah, I'm always trying to.
But that's this the one that stands out among all the other things you know how to do.
Yeah, the drums, yeah.
All right. You being in Ghana, have you been on shows? Personally, you came to perform on my show, but aside my show, have you been on other programs in the country?
Yeah, I've been to, I think, 3 or 4 shows.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you remember the name of the places?
Yeah, I can remember Empire Club.
Empire Night Club, yeah.
Yeah. And
Kase.
Blue Bar.
Blue Bar.
Yeah.
Is it Tech?
No, Ejisu.
Ejoso. Oh, yeah, Ejoso. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I've been to SG Mall.
SG Mall.
Yeah.
Last Friday, they had a concert, right?
Yeah.
For Dope Nation. Were you part?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How did it go?
It was very nice.
You being a foreigner, and definitely you can't really speak our language. How are they treating you? Do they treat you in a way that makes you feel like they are cheating you?
No. They always welcome me. Even if they can even speak, or some don't speak English very well.
Okay.
But they'll try to, ask someone to
Explain,
enlighten me,
yeah.
Yeah, so they don't be like, oh, it's Nigeria. No. I have not met anyone that like being like, oh, bro, you're from Nigeria. No, I don't want to in Nigeria or anything.
You're always welcome.
Maybe you don't speak Twi, so I can't talk with you.
Okay.
Yeah,
they always welcome you.
Yeah, they welcome me very well.
You've been here for the past 3 months. Do you intend leaving soon, or the other projects you like to work on before leaving?
Yeah. I have so many things to work on before I go back.
No, okay. That means you are not going any moment now.
Yes, for now.
Okay, all right. We are heading towards Christmas, and I know definitely you've heard about Dirty December or December in Ghana. Are there other events that are going on within Kumasi, Accra, or anywhere in Ghana which you are being booked on?
Yeah.
All right. Can you take us through some of these events?
Blue Bar.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's Ejoso.
Yeah, they booked me already. I think next week, 24th.
24th December.
Yeah, and
okay.
On 27th,
you're coming to my town.
Yeah, I mean,
Madam Mase.
It's gonna go crazy, you know.
Crazy.
Yeah.
That's nice. I hope they are treating you well, as you said.
Perfectly well.
Then you stay for long.
Oh, I wish because I don't really base even in Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I base in Bahrain.
Where is that?
Asia country.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that's where I do my stuffs, my drums, my dancing. Yeah, is where I do it.
Would you say coming to Ghana, these things you know how to do is paying enough as compared to where you were?
Why I would say yes is because their currency and our Ghana currency is not the same.
Okay.
Yeah, so their money is a little bit high, so I will not compare it. But they are paying me nice here in Ghana. I won't lie to you. Yeah,
that's nice. Bonti is in the house. You've worked with Bonti before, but I don't know if you remember. He was the coordinator for Chilla O'Reilly or say.
Yeah. I know. I remember.
Bonti.
What was it?
Vicky Drums.
Me, the English I can speak small. So,
okay.
Hey, teacher me.
Yesterday, your sister come Ghana, come insult us for here. Era star.
Man, so
you no go agree. That one aside. Okay, so you said you came to visit your brother here, right?
Yeah.
And then you came with the drums.
Yeah.
That means you came with a purpose.
Yeah, because I'm a musician, so I always go with my equipment. You never can tell, Like now, I'm playing, Yeah. I can't leave my stuffs behind me.
All right. So have you had any joints that officially wants to work with you permanently, or they are all booking you for shows?
Yeah. Emperor said something like keeping me permanently, but I don't really want to be one place because of I'm not staying, I'll be going. So I prefer when you book me and we do our stuff and.
All right. So aside the food that you think, our jollof that you think is tasty, are there some things in Ghana that you think it's not making you feel comfortable around here? Is there anything like that?
Nothing.
So you're okay.
Yeah.
I guess
like
they scratch you and they give you.
If I'm to be like, oh, bro, don't come to Bahrain again, just stay for a while. I'll prefer to stay in Ghana.
All right.
Because like the way they were talking about Ghana when I've not been here before, is not what I'm seeing.
No,
the country is very, very peaceful, bro. I won't lie to you. The country is very peaceful. No issue. Nobody is stabbing you. Oh, I lost my phone or this or that, or maybe someone stops you and be like, bro, where are you going to? Can I see your phone? All those stuffs. I've not seen it here in Ghana.
Right.
All right. Yeah. You see, and tomorrow go film go up and come back. I said, okay.
You see, there is this issue between Ghana and Nigeria concerning Dirty December. Have you been in Nigeria to witness how the Dirty December is there around?
No.
You've not witnessed that?
No.
Oh, okay. All right. Then you can't answer this.
All right. It's for any Vicky Drums na air train come Abrantia on the training or board no training firm. We started with him playing some drums through some piano vibes. You didn't come on the music journey. In a casa anything the casa or Kenya tintin and say of Nigeria no Babestra Nebra or Ghana. No by no say Ghana a very peaceful country. So he has made his mind to stay for some time and also have a feel of how Ghana is here. The first Nigerian ever made it so say he's going for Ghanaian jollof. It's like everything Ghana there, this guy is going for, and that's a good thing. Ghana is very peaceful for him, and as you know, Ghana is very peaceful. December year, you see me ekodi bro nyame show. Me amfa bibia to from boko. Insana no manu atobo. Kana utwi anu atobo. Eni die mu a yesremo. Na ye hu afefa froi. Ye nyina yen cross over. Vicky.
Yeah.
Very soon we'll be ending our interview. You've mentioned places you'll be playing this December. That is, you are playing Blue Bar in. Is that the right name?
Yeah,
Blue
Blue Bar
Yeah.
at Ejoso.
Yeah.
And you are playing I Village Lifestyle Lounge in Adangomase.
Yeah.
That is 24th, 27th. Is there any other events you are looking forward to be part of?
Yeah, but like we have not yet finalized on that, so
Okay. All right.
I won't be like mentioning it because I'm not sure if I'm going to work with them.
All right. There are a lot of people listening to us now, some on Facebook, some are even listening through via their radio. If somebody wants to book you for a program, how do the person get in contact with you?
Oh, I have my manager.
Okay.
Yeah, so through him you can get to me.
All right. Can we have his number or anything? Or maybe your social media handles so that when we DM you, we could get his number, then reach out.
Okay. I can give you my handle.
Okay.
Yeah, on TikTok I'm Vicky Man.
Vicky Man.
Yeah,
All right. Can you spell the Vicky for us?
VICKL.
VICL.
VICKL. Sorry.
CKY.
Why?
VICKY.
KY.
Then man, MAN.
Yeah, man. Yeah. MAN. Yeah.
All right. So that's on what do you call it? TikTok.
Yeah, on TikTok.
Is it the same on other platforms?
No, on my Instagram is Choosing Boy.
Chosen Boy.
Yeah, CHOSEN.
Oh,
Then
okay.
boy.
All right. All right. Your last words. Any shout out you would like to give out?
Yeah, I'll tell my fans as they out there, you know, if anything you're doing, you just need to put handwork, like believe in it.
Yeah.
Don't just be like, oh, can this work out for me? Just believe in yourself and keep doing it. Definitely it's going to pay you. Even if it's not paying you at the moment, keep trying.
All right, keep trying. That's by the man they call Vicky Drums on the NNH Train Como. He has upcoming program on the 24th, so he has another one, I Village at Dangumasi, the east side on the 27th. In Tubetima join here whilst we go have fun. As I said, the show is fully packed. You try and I have another interview for you.